if we were to follow that line of thinking, it would seem to me that one might say that a person who has no language at all could still think, could still have thoughts.
And I think that's true. In fact, recently there have been a number of techniques that scientists have used to try to tap the minds of creatures that don't have language. We now know that babies, for example, before they begin to talk, have a fairly sophisticated understanding of the world around them. They pay attention to objects, they make predictions about how objects will behave, what will fall, what won't fall, what can pass through what, how people behave. Babies clearly are making sense of the world, and that's before they're saying a word. Animals too, I think there's a lot of good evidence that many non-human animals engage in some form of thought, even though obviously they don't have the words. And even people with words, if you look at the autobiographies of great scientists and authors and poets and sculptors, one thing that runs through all of them is that they say that their moments of inspiration often come from a vivid visual image, and that they then have to struggle to find the words to express that image. Not only in the sciences, like Einstein, who claimed to have come upon his insight about relativity theory by, say, imagining what it would be like to be in a plummeting elevator and then to take a coin out of your pocket and try to drop it. Often novelists will say that the first idea for a novel will be a scene with people in the scene, and then they struggle for the words to express it.
Yes.
So I think that aspect of experience jibes with what the science of mind has recently found out, namely that language is a very rich part of the mind, but only one part.
Well,